Will versus going to. Using will for predictions, promises, offers, and decisions made at the moment of speaking. Using going to for plans, intentions, and predictions based on present evidence. He will repair the car. They will adopt a puppy. She will call you later. She will plan the event. We will book the tickets. She will pack your lunch. They will paint the house. We will arrange the seating. He will cook dinner tonight. She will look after the kids. He will install the software. He will join us for the trip. He will join the team meeting. We will bring the decorations. They will review the contract. They will renovate the kitchen. She will answer your questions. They will organize a fundraiser. We will buy a new car next year. We will go to the movies tonight. We will go to the movies tonight. I will explain everything to you. He will return the book tomorrow. They will perform at the concert. I will introduce you to my friend. I will send you the email shortly. We will visit Grandma this weekend. I will attend the meeting tomorrow. I will help you with your homework. She will bake a cake for the party. She will meet you at the restaurant. We will start the project on Monday. I will make sure everything is ready. He will bring the drinks to the party. He will finish the project by tomorrow. We will visit the museum this afternoon. I will remind you about the appointment. They will move to a new house next month. They will move to a new house next month. She will check the report and get back to you. They will celebrate their anniversary next week. I will complete the assignment by the end of the day. Using going to for plans, intentions, and predictions based on present evidence. I am going to start a blog. She is going to join a gym. She is going to join a gym. I am going to wash the car. We are going to play tennis. We are going to adopt a cat. He is going to fix the sink. He is going to write a novel. I am going to read that book. I am going to call my friend. We are going to bake cookies. He is going to learn to swim. He is going to run a marathon. She is going to buy groceries. She is going to practice yoga. They are going to have a baby. I am going to send a postcard. He is going to repair his bike. He is going to take a vacation. He is going to play basketball. We are going to host a barbecue. We are going to host a barbecue. I am going to visit the dentist. He is going to buy a new laptop. I am going to finish my project. They are going to learn Spanish. He is going to clean the garage. She is going to travel to Italy. We are going to visit the beach. He is going to join a book club. They are going to start a garden. They are going to travel to Japan. We are going to attend a workshop. They are going to sell their house. They are going to plan a road trip. She is going to decorate the house. He is going to attend a conference. They are going to build a tree house. We are going to attend the festival. We are going to attend the festival. We are going to cook dinner together. I am going to order pizza for dinner. She is going to take a cooking class. I am going to take the dog for a walk. We are going to watch a movie tonight. They are going to invite friends over. He is going to start his own business. We are going to paint the living room. We are going to paint the living room. They are going to upgrade their phone. I am going to finish reading this book. We are going to visit a new restaurant. We are going to celebrate her birthday. They are going to remodel the bathroom. She is going to move to a new apartment. She is going to study law at university. She is going to apply for a scholarship. They are going to get married next year. They are going to throw a surprise party. She is going to organize a charity event. I am going to start a new job next month. She is going to volunteer at the shelter. I am going to visit my parents this weekend. She is going to learn how to play the piano.